Hello, you are welcome to ghanalottotv. Yes, it is marvelous you are here. It is marvelous you are here. Yes. So on the 24th September 2025, we have midweek. And we have this powerful lapping plan. Stay tuned. This powerful. You see a number lap itself at Santa box. The following we meet 19. The following we meet 85. Very powerful. Very powerful. Let's go through the plan together. Yes, but before then, give the video a thumbs up. If this is your first time. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel. Tap on the subscribe button. Yes. So let's go to the plans together. So last week, these were the draw numbers: 68, 63, 16, 34, 85 for the win. And then the machine side, we have 67, 57, 45, 84, 49. Okay, so from some of the plans, these two numbers 34, 85, either one or the two of them will repeat. So here we have 34 plate and the following way it repeated, 85 plate, the following way it repeated. And here you see that two numbers actually repeated, 84, 18, then the following way 84, 18 again. So these two numbers. Okay, let's go to the plans together. You see the actual confirmation. The actual plans confirm these two numbers. And then the fire game, the lapping plan, that we are going to pick some powerful numbers from the event. So this is Monday special 2025. This Monday special paper 2025. You meet the lapping in Santa box, 73 plate and lap itself. So the following week, a number ending 9 was supposed to play to follow up, but the counterpart came. 49 was supposed to play here, but it counterparted to single 4. So when this happened, you count 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3. This is your next event to watch out. One number or two numbers will play from here. But last week, these two actually played 63, 85. Yes. So this 63, 85. I think the 63 2 is likely to repeat, but it's not in my my final game. You can have a look at it too. 63. It appeared in another place. So let's go. You see it. So here you have these two. We are picking these two. A single 2, 85 from here. But the whole event is good to have a look at it. Okay. Then here you meet the lapping at center box like this. The following week, here the 49 played live. 49 itself came. A number ending 9. Not necessarily the 49, but a number ending 9 will play or its counterpart. Okay, so when this happens, you count 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3. This is your next event to watch out. And see the confirmation to make you believe the lapping plan. You see that single 2 is here and the single 2 is here. I hope now you believe you have some vim in the games. Yes, so you see single 2 here, single 2 here, because of that this particular lapping at center box, and then the number ending 9 playing or its counterpart playing. So that's the confirmation. So here this particular game 2 event 2 is good, but we are picking the single 2 which is already here, and then 79, single 2 79. But you can consider the whole game. See, 79 plus 1 is 80. And then this particular one, 87 2. We are going to meet 86, which is in the main game. It can also come plus 1. So this game, this event is good. Have a look at them, the two of them. Alright. So we have 3 numbers, 79, single 2, 85. So let's move. This one is from Lucky Tuesday 2025. Lucky Tuesday. 85 lap itself at center box. And you see, when you come to the current, the 85 actually repeated, but 18 lap itself at center box. 84. The 84 repeated with the 18. Then the following week you meet a number ending 19. Then you count 3 weeks down, which is today, 24th. Okay, so here is here. So you meet your 84 lapping itself at center box. The following week you meet a number ending 69. Then you count your 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. This is the next event to watch out. So here we are picking 3486. We are picking 3486. You see that the 85 is here again, but it went to machine. So 86, 85, one has to come. If they are dodging, then 87 will come. If these two will dodge, then you are meeting 87 here. This 87. Okay. So the final. So we have 5 numbers. We are adding the 3486 to those 3 to get 5 numbers. So let's now look at the final plan, the giant one. You meet the 18, it repeated. Then the following you meet 19. The following you meet 85. Alright, let's take it from National Weekly. This is from National Weekly. The plan is going up. So you meet your 18. Then the following week it repeats. The following week 19 played. Then next you meet 85. So this is the next event to watch out. But last week 85 actually played with 68, 63, 34. Last week 85 played with these 3. Yes. So we are in for the rest of the 3 numbers here. 21, 36, 12. We are in for these 3. But if you can pam 10 numbers, add 63, 87 to the final game that I'll reveal. If you can pam 10 numbers, because there are 8 numbers, but if you can pam 10 numbers, add 63, 87. Alright, so if you have not liked the video yet, tap on the thumbs up button. And as I said, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel, tap on the subscribe button, so that anytime I post a game, you'll be notified instantly. Alright, so this is the final game for you. As I said, if you can pam 10 numbers, add 63, 87. So we have 79, single 2, 85, 34, 86, 21, 36, single, 12. So your best 5. 79 single 2, 21, 36, 12. You're too sure. 79 single 2. Good luck. So Fortune Thursday is loading live. Hot game is loading live. So get ready for it. Alright. Good luck. Thank you for watching.